What if the past could rise again, wrapped in the vision of tomorrow? The 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser 1958 brings that dream to life. It is not just a redesign, it is a time machine built from heritage and innovation. Every curve, every light carries a story of power and pride, but wait until you see how. Toyota merged 6 decades of legacy with futuristic engineering to create something truly timeless. At first sight, the Land Cruiser 1958-2026 feels both nostalgic and advanced. The strong shoulders and boxy lines remain, but everything is sharper and more intelligent. LED beams stretch across a redesigned grille, giving the front a modern signature of dominance. But stay tuned, because the real transformation begins once you look beyond the steel. The exterior speaks the language of purpose. Aerodynamic sculpting meets vintage DNA, creating a body both aggressive and elegant. The chrome detailing reflects tradition, while the whitened stance adds bold confidence. The headlights seem alive, cutting through night like precision tools. But wait, the story gets even better. Once you step inside, open the doors and step into the evolution of comfort. The cabin blends heritage design with advanced digital intelligence. Leather meets carbon fiber, while every contour follows human precision. The panoramic dashboard greets you with subtle light animations, but stay tuned, because what hides inside this interior will completely redefine your idea of an SUV. Inside, technology and craftsmanship move as one. The dual-screen cockpit merges performance data and entertainment seamlessly. Voice recognition reacts instantly to your commands, while smart ambient lighting adjusts with mood. Every seat feels sculpted for perfection. But wait until you hear how much power this masterpiece hides beneath its hood. Beneath its elegant surface lives a new hybrid system combining electric silence with engine roar. The 2026 Land Cruiser 1958 delivers balance between smooth efficiency and unstoppable torque. It's built to master highways and mountains with equal confidence. But stay tuned, because the numbers behind this powertrain will shock even the toughest critics. The Land Cruiser 1958-2026 accelerates like a force of nature, 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds, while maintaining legendary off-road control. Adaptive suspension and predictive traction systems keep you steady anywhere you go. But wait, the surprise comes next when you discover how Toyota priced this luxury powerhouse. Toyota positioned the 1958-2026 model to challenge expectations, offering next-level design and performance at a price that undercuts premium rivals. It brings the strength of the past and the innovation of the future to more drivers than ever before. Stay tuned, because the story of this legend's return runs deeper than numbers and style. The Land Cruiser name carries 70 years of legacy forged through dust storms, victories, and adventure. The 1958 edition was a symbol of endurance, and now its 2026 rebirth continues that journey stronger than ever. But wait, the way Toyota preserved heritage while advancing technology is what truly defines greatness. The 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser 1958 stands as a bridge between eras, built to inspire generations ahead. It proves that history and progress can move together as one. If you love SUVs, don't miss what's coming next. Hit subscribe so you won't miss it. The future of strength and luxury begins now with the Land Cruiser 1958 Reborn.